Ever wondered what powers your favorite games and movies? It's the graphics card, and its creation is a marvel of science and engineering. Today, we'll tour a high-tech factory to see how raw silicon becomes a graphics powerhouse. Our journey starts in a clean room, one of the cleanest places on Earth, where workers wear full-body suits to keep dust away. The process begins with a flawless silicon wafer, polished to a mirror finish. This wafer is coated with a light-sensitive material called photoresist. Using photolithography, ultraviolet light shines through a mask, etching intricate circuit patterns onto the wafer. Chemicals then wash away exposed areas, revealing the silicon beneath and leaving behind a microscopic blueprint. This layering process is repeated many times, building up millions of tiny transistors. Each layer adds complexity, like constructing a skyscraper floor by floor, only at a scale invisible to the naked eye. The result? A wafer packed with the circuits that will drive stunning graphics. Precision is everything. One speck of dust can ruin an entire batch. It's a blend of chemistry, physics, and engineering at its finest. Let's see what happens next. With our silicon wafers ready, it's time to build the graphics card's skeleton, the printed circuit board, or PCB. Conveyor belts move green PCBs through a line of robotic arms and SMT machines, surface mount technology robots that place tiny components with incredible speed. Each part, from resistors to capacitors, is positioned with pinpoint accuracy onto a layer of solder paste. The board, now dotted with hundreds of components, resembles a miniature city. Precision is crucial. One misplaced part can cause the whole card to fail. The populated board enters a reflow oven where controlled heat melts the solder paste, bonding every component securely. As the board cools, the connections harden, creating a robust electronic system. This process transforms a simple green board into the foundation of a powerful graphics card. Every step is automated for speed and accuracy, but human oversight ensures quality. The result, a perfectly assembled circuit board, ready for its most important component. Next up, installing the GPU. The journey continues. Let's move to the heart of the card. Now comes the heart of the graphics card, the GPU, or graphics processing unit. Each GPU chip cut from the silicon wafer contains billions of transistors in a space smaller than your thumbnail. A robotic arm, guided by lasers, aligns the GPU with golden contact points on the PCB. Precision is vital. Even a tiny misalignment can ruin the card. The GPU is attached using ball grid array soldering. Thousands of microscopic solder balls melt to form perfect connections. After placement, the board undergoes automated optical inspection using cameras to check alignment and solder quality. Sometimes X-rays are used to ensure hidden connections are flawless. Quality control at this stage is critical. Catching errors now saves headaches later. With the GPU in place, the card is ready for cooling and final assembly. Let's see how it stays cool under pressure. The GPU generates heat, so cooling is essential. A thin layer of thermal paste is applied to the GPU, filling microscopic gaps for efficient heat transfer. A metal heatsink is placed on top, secured with screws, and a fan assembly is attached. This cooling system keeps the card running smoothly, even under heavy loads. Next, each card is tested in a special rig, running demanding software to check performance and stability. This burn-in test ensures only the best cards make it out of the factory. Some cards get a final visual inspection. Technicians check solder joints, fan placement, and overall build quality. Robotic precision meets human expertise at every step. Only cards that pass every test move on. Quality is never compromised. Now it's time for packaging. The final step is packaging and shipping. Each card is sealed in an anti-static bag, then placed in a custom-fit insert inside a branded box. Accessories like cables and manuals are added, and the box is sealed with a unique serial number for tracking. Robotic arms stack the boxes onto pallets, ready for shipping worldwide. From a single factory, these cards travel to gamers, creators, and scientists everywhere. From raw silicon to a graphics powerhouse, it's a journey of precision and innovation. Next time you see stunning graphics on your screen, remember the science behind it. That's the story of how a graphics card is made. Science in action, right inside your computer.